Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again. Today we are here in the storage room, and we're gonna do an unboxing of a package that I just received. And this has to do with the tires. We have the Kodiak Bear Claw HTR right here that we're gonna install on the Kodiak 450, and we're gonna see what is here. As you can close to the camera so they can see what we got here.
It's like this, okay?
Yeah, right there is okay. My son is recording today, so
hello.
Say hi.
I always said.
All right. So what we have here, it's I don't know if it's gonna work or yes or not, but we're gonna try it anyways. So what we have here, as you can see, these are called. Okay, so here we have the tires. Okay, so now we're gonna show you what we have here. Okay, you come over here. What we have here is called balancing beads. Okay, balancing beads. So these are the beads, and this is to install them. But we are not going to use
why are they called balancing beams?
No, beads.
Why are they called balancing beats?
I'm gonna tell them right now, but if you can back up a little bit so they can see everything.
Is it because they make beats?
Okay, so here we got what we need to install them, but we are not gonna use these because what we're gonna do is like whenever they installing the tires in the Kodiak 450, that's whenever I'm gonna tell them to put them inside the tires. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Each one has 2 ounces, and that's what we need for the
2 ounces.
2 ounces, and that's what we need for the Kodiak 450 tire, for the 20-inch tires. So here they are. They're very, very, very tiny. But as you can see, this is 2 ounces. This one is 2 ounces. So they all are 2 ounces each. These ones are 2 ounces.
Nice.
Okay, and this one is 2 ounces.
There's 4 of them, right?
Yeah, one for each tire. And this one is 2 ounces. So
which means 2 plus 2 equals 4. Plus 2 equals 4. Altogether, they all of these
make 8.
Yeah, make 8.
Okay, guys. So
thank
you for watching. This is a quick video. We're just unboxing the balancing beads. We're gonna put them in the tires whenever they installing them. So we'll see. You know, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. I mean, it's for balancing. It's just for. I don't want to put no weights on the rims. So we're gonna do the beats. I was watching doing some research, and it's not really needed for off-road, but I mean, you never know. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
/ hit that little bell.
All right.
Bye, guys.